Today we will discuss a technique which used frequently these days, which is to rely on a well-known servers to perform a certain task or transfer a piece of information. This technique has been used by a Russian malware. Now what the attackers did was to send a data over their Twitter account and make the target parse it later on. So here on the attacker machine, we just send an order or command as a normal tweet to our Twitter account. Notice that there is no direct communication between the attacker and its target, which is really evil here. Later on, the target will parse the tweet and execute that order. The benefits of doing so is first, Twitter is a trusted website and it has a very good reputation and most likely it's a whitelisted website. Second, this type of attack is very hard to detect, where unskilled security team will never thought that this data could be malicious, and one of my concern here is to open your eyes to such malicious attacks. In the next video from the Kali machine, we will send hello from Python string as a normal tweet to our account. And on the client side, we will parse that tweet, then we will print out the result here. Now, technically speaking, anybody can view your tweet without even logging into Twitter. I really recommend to read this FireEye report to see how the attackers took an advantage of this. Now, believe it or not, in 5 lines of Python script, you will connect to the attacker page over HTTPS, retrieve the HTML and parse it, and finally extract the data from that tweet. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.